all in those nooks and crannies. Brush all that dust up. You get these dust off of your car vents. Wireless cordless vacuum is going to be perfect to clean my car. You can even vacuum up like small areas inside of your couch. You don't want to lug around your big vacuum with you. This is very powerful. It has a ton of attachments. It even has a spot in the back where you can hook these up and you can blow things up like a life jacket or a blow-up mattress if you're traveling. This can do that. It comes with an easy to disassemble canister to empty it out. It also comes with these other filters, and they're stainless steel, so they're reusable. They're easy to clean. You just run them under water and just use this little brush to clean them off. This thing charges in about 3 to 4 hours, and you get about a 20-minute runtime. You have a charging port here on the bottom where you can use this USB-C cord. That it comes with this little bag to put all your tiny little parts in, and then another bag to put your kit in. And it travels with you. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to put the Amazon link down in the description below.